What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna go over our friend BTC, currently sitting at 23,557, down 1.8 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 448 billion, 24-hour volume 31.21 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So potentially what we're looking at is an ABC correction, which seems to be playing out to bring us down for a potential wave 2 in between 22.8 and 21.6 with a minimum target of 23.4, which is currently being tested right now. But if we were to count a 5-wave move, I don't think you could see a 5-wave move for the wave C. So we could definitely come a little bit lower. It's either that or what else I was looking at here is that we came up in a wave 1, and this is a wave A down. This is an overshooting wave B, and we're looking for that wave C. So potentially we could bounce from the 0.382. That's the most bullish scenario. But as of right now, I think it's a little bit more likely we come down to 22.8. or 21.6, the golden ratio at 22.3K. We're watching this leading diagonal, creating a wave 1 to the upside here in purple. I know you guys can't really see this, so we'll do orange. I don't like orange. I think it's a very ugly color, but that's just a personal opinion. We've come up in a wave 1. We're looking for a wave 2 pullback, and then you see a wave 3 to the upside, wave 4, wave 5 to complete the larger wave 3 here in pink. All right, guys, does look like that is currently playing out. The bearish scenario is we come down, we lose this wave 2 of support at about 20.7K, and we come lower. Technically, we could still look at a bullish scenario, but wouldn't be a strong sign for BTC in my opinion. So if we look at Bitcoin here on the 4-hour, as you can see, we've been talking about us coming down to the support of this rising wedge pattern. We did have a 4-hour bearish divergence, which is playing out. So we could see a bouncer off that support. If that support is lost, we start to backtest it as resistance. That would be relatively bearish, as we would have a rising wedge that could take you all the way back down here to about 19.2K. So just keep a close eye on that. There can be fake outs where you break down and then you shoot right back up. But if you do see a retest and then we continue to drop, that's when you can see some larger sell-off for BTC. But we'll see if we can bounce here and then come back up to this level of resistance for a retest at about 25.6K, which is pretty close to about 26.4, $1,000 away, which is that wick low, which I still think is a high likelihood we at least push up to that level, or possibly about 28K for BTC. Now, if we hop over to our next chart, potentially I'm looking at a wave 4 pullback and one more wave down in the market. As I mentioned before, we're about to have the bullish cross of the EMAs, but in previous bear markets, when we would have relief rallies, just as we did right here, we had the bullish cross, we broke above, and then we broke below it. Right here, we had the bullish cross once again, and both of these were bear market rallies, guys. So we have to be really cautious. Trading right now carries a lot of risk with this kind of sideways consolidation action, as there's no clear trend. So just trade cautiously in my opinion. All right, we have some topping tail candles just as we did here. Topping tails, we saw some pullback. Topping tails, we saw some pullback. Topping tails, and right now we're seeing some pullback for BTC, and we're coming to test the crucial, oh, let me see here, have we started to break it? Looks like we've started to break it. Yeah, so we definitely have started to break the support of this ascending channel. So that could be a bearish signal as well, that we could see a large drop to the downside if we were to significantly break down from this channel. But we do have to focus on the bullish wave count, which is currently playing out, where we created a wave 1, and right now we're just putting in a wave 2 pullback, and then you see the wave 3 to the upside. This is exactly what the whales like to do. They fake you out, they scare you so you don't go long and you go short, and then it bounces, liquidates the short positions, and everybody starts to go long once again. Personally, when I go long, I buy into the pullbacks, and when I go short, I buy into the pump. So I start buying into the pump when I think it's going to start coming back down, or I buy into the pullbacks. But what a lot of people wait for is the big drop to already happen. They start going short, then we bounce, or they wait for a nice big pump and they start going long right here, and then we come back down. That's what the whales love to make their money off of, the retail traders. All right, guys, but here on Invest and Trade with Jax, we're all becoming whales together. So let's get this crypto. That's what Crypto Kirby says. Hilarious dude. I think he calls himself the Dawn. He's got some funny stuff. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Also posting my own analysis with my trade signals here. Took a small loss on Ethereum short, which would now be in profit, but that's a-okay. Recently locked in gains here on Matic Ethereum and Gala. So $10 a month for my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. And we also have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Discord if you want to trade with me. Sign up through the... And if you want to trade with me, you can check out my full length tutorial on Bybit. That's where I do all my trading, up to $4,500 in bonuses over there. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.